is a video on how to do the twilight zone. It's a zippo trick. What you want to move your wick like 45 degrees towards the lid. Then you light your zippo and take the flame. And then you just push air towards it, and it'll make the flame reappear. The reason it does this is because when you move the wick, under the wick there's a little pocket where a small flame is stored. And when you push air onto it, it pushes over to the rest of the wick, so it comes back. If you didn't see it, the zippo went away from the screen. That's it. If you liked this and you want more videos on how to do zippo tricks, please comment, ask for them.